Hey guys, we got this TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter Converter. So this is a TESSAN International Power Plug Converter with two USB and Type-C outlet. So as you can see, like this is just a switch converter. It's not like you know converting the voltage. So like you cannot convert from 110 to 240 or 240 to 110, but it is the adapter like you can use in a European plug. This same plug is also used in Asia, like in India. So you can also use it there. Uh, so let me just take this out. So this is a warning that this is not a voltage, the down or the up line thing. So here you can see that two power outlet. So it's for the US switches and then two USB. So it's a great tool to take Europe with your US power outlets to charge your tablets and laptops.